Hello there, how's everything? Hope everything is going perfectly well with you all. If you see me for the first time, this is me Sheerin and I'm here to teach you American English. Today's lesson is demonstrative adjectives. Notice please that I explained the demonstrative pronouns in a previous video, so you can check it out anytime you want. Let's go. What is a demonstrative adjective? A demonstrative adjective is an adjective that can be used to specifically describe the position of someone or something. We use the words this, these, that, and those to tell our listeners which thing or person we mean. We use this and that before singular nouns, and we use these and those before plural nouns. This and these are used to indicate that the items are fairly close at hand, while that and those tend to indicate that the items are further away. Demonstrative adjectives are near singular, this, near plural, these, far singular, that, far plural, those. Examples of demonstrative adjectives. He lives in this house. This apartment needs to be painted. More examples. Bring me the bowl. I am selling those books. Please give me those clothes. How much is that bag? Would you like these oranges? These pencils are mine. Difference between demonstrative pronouns and demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative pronoun stands alone, whereas a demonstrative adjective describes a noun. Examples: that is an amazing flower. That is a demonstrative pronoun. The soup tastes good. That is a demonstrative adjective because it describes the soup, which is the noun here. Demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. More examples. Demonstrative adjective describes a noun. This chair is broken. That car is expensive. These clothes are wet. Those birds are flying south. Demonstrative pronoun identifies someone or something. This is my chair. That is Peter's house. These are her clothes. Those are migrating birds. Exercise. Choose the right answer. Number 1. Those or that man really loved the comic book store. Which is the answer? Great! That man really loves the comic book store. Number 2. These or these apples are ready to be eaten. Which is the right answer? Fabulous! These apples are ready to be eaten. Number 3. Those or that store is having huge blowout sale today. Where is the answer? Amazing! That store is having huge blowout sale today. Number 4. This or those farmers are growing some great organic vegetables. Yes, those farmers are growing some great organic vegetables. Number 5. These or that friends of mine are very reliable. Great! These friends of mine are very reliable. Number 6. These or that fence needs another coat of paint. Where is the answer? Fabulous! That fence needs another coat of paint. Number 7. Make sure to tell those or that boy he needs to clean up after himself. Where is the answer? Yes. Make sure to tell that boy he needs to clean up after himself. Number 8. Did you write this or that song? Great! Did you write this song? Number 9. Make sure this or those girls don't forget their purses. Where is the answer? Fabulous! Make sure those girls don't forget their purses. Number 10. Those or that movie was very realistic. Great! That movie was very realistic. Number 11. I can tell that this or these lines are well taken care of. Where is the answer? Amazing! I can tell that these lines are well taken care of. Thank you a lot for watching my video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, to like my video, share it, and to write in the comments below more examples of today's lesson about demonstrative adjectives. Don't again forget to click the bell button below to get a notification whenever I upload a video. See you next time. Bye.